full moon, the sweetest tongue of truth and right, the purest heart and the sharpest mind, the kindest words and the clearest sight, the smartest creature of mankind, more generous than oceans, seas, and rivers, lakes, the vastest sand, more fragrant than the prettiest breeze, of all perfumes of the best brand. The softest hands one hopes to shake, the most modest and moderate, the wisest war plans he could make. In peace, the top of welfare state, symbol of human fair justice power, self-confidence and heroism, enthusiasm and optimism, the highest peak of Prophet's tower, the greatest flesh and soul on earth, since Adam's time to our rebirth. Your name relieves tough burdens and stress, and pleases Allah to forgive sins, remove misdeeds and also bless. The one who says his really wins. His speech contents are precious gems, with deeply rooted divine stems. So lunar solar beams feel shy, when his own charm obviously spreads, attracting all these hearts and heads. In life he never tells a lie, he's called the truthful and honest, exerts the efforts with no rest. He's brighter than the full moon rays, the shining sun on lovely days, or sparkling stars in distant space. So let's get ready for this race. Now, peace be upon Muhammad, such mercy to this universe, loved when written, pronounced, or said, to kill sick grudge, thick feud and curse. Believe me, brother, you won't lose. Repeat that every day to reach Allah's own pleasure, giving clues of paradise. Follow my preach. Written by Sayyid Hassanain. Email sahhussein77 at yahoo.com. I hope that you have enjoyed my poem so much. Thanks a lot, and peace be upon you.